Ayun. Oh, free stretching na tayo. Nawala na naman. Yan. Straight your elbow. Arms forward. Arms forward, ha? Arms forward. Arms forward. Arms forward. I will stop this, ha? Ready? Go na hangin. Go! Kick, kick, pull! Very good! Kick, kick, pull! Kick, kick, pull! Kick, kick, pull! O, go na hangin. Very good. Face down. Pull! Kick, kick, pull! Kick, kick, pull! Oh, very good on your kicking, ha? Then your arms recovery ngayon. It shows a little improvement, but you need to do this. Listen. Oh, you're not there. Oh, you need to do this. Your recovery, ha? Bring your elbow above the water. Ginagawa ko ganito lang. Bring your elbow above the water. Up,